In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create your own vinyl group or decal group here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you're going to want to start by making your way over to your garage. You can do this from an estate or you can do it from the festival sites as well, but essentially just go to make your way here, open up the cars tab specifically up at the very top and scroll down to designs and paints, and then from here simply hit OK, or just hit don't show again if you never want that to show up again. And then of course go ahead and select create vinyl groups on here. Open it up. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is then select it, apply vinyl shape, choose whatever you want. I'm just going to use any of these as an example. It doesn't necessarily matter. Choose a shade for it. I know this is not like the best thing in the entire world, right? It doesn't matter that much. Essentially hit OK whenever you're ready for it, then go ahead and create another one. And then you can do, once again, another thing. You can apply another shape, choose another color, place it somewhere, whatever it might be. You can rotate. There's a bunch of different settings on here. So play around with this, make it however you want. Whenever you're ready though, just back out, right? And you need to hit save, which is like the share button or view button on Xbox. It's a share button on PlayStation. Save it. And then of course from here, you can add keywords, a description if you want, select share. And then, of course, it'll be uploaded for other people to view as well. I'm actually not going to share it right now, but that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.